Northwestern, right?
It's so weird, bro. I'm not used to being alone at all. What's good, yo? I'm about to go to Oakland right now. It's like an hour flight. First time flying by myself. Never been on a plane before. See y'all watching it. But yeah, y'all like this video, subscribe, share this video too. Oh, I just got the whole chicken.
That nice height. Thank you.
Just got off the plane. Just got my luggage. Waiting for my Uber right now, but it was a good flight. It wasn't bad, or it wasn't that scary for real. But yeah, I got a 30-minute drive to my location now from the airport. But yeah, so, I mean, I'm just happy I landed good.
In North,
yeah.
Man, they got bears out there.
Okay. Yeah?
You hear that?
Nah. I'm gonna stay inside then.
Miwok Park or something. There's like
yeah.
There was a bear and her cubs sighted.
Wow.
I know, right?
It's crazy.
That's kind of close to home.
Appreciate you. I'll be there. How are you? Doing good. When you walk in, feel me, we just pulled up. Tell me lights. Oh, it is a light. When you pull up, you come to the right. There's a little mirror. Oh, that's kind of weird. That's like outside the. Oh no, what the fuck? Okay, the mirror is outside the bathroom. Just put the lights on. Little bathtub, little cute little bathroom. It's nice, nice. Peep the fit. Keep the fit. My zipper broke right here though, so like yeah. We got a king queen size bed. TV. Let's open up these blinds. Look, can you open up these blinds? Like, get some lighting. And I'm like right in the front. Little hotel, I guess. But yeah, that's a little room tour. I'm probably gonna I don't know, get some food or something. So I'm mad hungry. Like I don't know where I'm at right now, bro. I don't know where I'm at right now. But yeah, it's my first little vacay. Yeah. I'm just getting ready right now. If I do it, you say I did it. Round ways, you get a headshot. I'm on your body. My vibe is your body. Oh, wow. It's me. Baby, I just need some company. Baby, you should let me hold you. Let me be the one to give you. I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew. How many bodies you got? Pray it ain't more than a few. I just woke up. It's 7 o'clock, 7:30ish. I'm about to go downstairs right now to go eat probably, because I haven't ate all day, but Chick-fil-A in the morning. But yeah, I just got these Clover 11s, lows. But yeah, this is the fit. It's something like calm, cause like I for real like didn't know what to bring, bro. Like I did have shorts on, but it's low-key mad cold over here. Like where I'm at, I give the plane experience like it was a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't bad, feel me? Cause I usually don't be going by myself alone anywhere. But yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm not gonna hold you. Like this. Boom. This chair is comfortable as fuck. I might take it home. But yeah, I had a great time on the plane for sure. I was freaking out. I was nervous like for a week straight. I was nervous since I found out I was gonna come over here anyways. Damn. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's something slight, bro. Like don't talk about my drip. Alright, don't. And go full mirror fit. The camera now. Ew, I don't like my. It's cute, I guess. It's like calm.
Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason.
Y'all, I just got home, man. I just got home right now. It's 9 o'clock. It's been a long day, a long business day. I did a lot of things. I'm blessed. I appreciate y'all for supporting me. I'm about to pack right now though, so y'all can pack with me to go home tomorrow morning. My driver picks me up at 8. My flight leaves at 11:45. So yeah, but yeah, I gotta pack all my shit. This is the worst part, bro. It's packing everything. So let's put these shoes away. I think I'm gonna bring this purse tomorrow. Put these shoes away. Shoes. Yeah. The gas station. Just got home, y'all. I'm about to clock out and go to sleep. I gotta wake up at 8. But yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow at the airport. Bro, I'm about to leave right now. Good morning. Let's pack this suitcase. Let's get it. Bye to the little room. It was a good time for me. It's relaxed. Nothing but good vibes for me. But yeah, it was a great little trip. I'm honest. Great little trip. I got everything. My lunch press. I need this.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning.
Headed to
Thank you, sir. Every day. You too. Many shows. Bro, I just spent $13 in the airport, bro. For coffee and a bagel, bro. It's crazy.